How to export Webflow code and host it online from your PC or from your account right now, just in front of you. For this, I have already opened the Webflow website in front of me, and here is a template to edit. As you can see that there is an export code option on my account. I clicked it on it and it is loading for me. As you can see, I can load it in any format like HTML, CSS, JS and in assets form. Now I'm currently on the HTML mode, so I will get the coding in HTML itself and I can copy it from here. As you can see, and you can read out the coding from here, I can simply copy this, and this is an HTML. Now this is the CSS file, this is the JV file or JV or JS impression, and the next one is assets. So like this is how you can do this thing on your PC. This is the tiny host website. To host anything online, you have to click on the HTML, the same file you have copied from there, that is HTML file, and then you can click on the download and just upload the same HTML file that you have downloaded from the previous website. After doing it, you can simply do this thing successfully. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.